Hey folks, it's me, Chris Wells. I am out here at one of my rental properties, and I normally get this question quite a bit of how do I pick up all of these leaves? Well, today I'm going to go over it a little bit. So, I do not rake all these leaves up. There is about, well, you can't see, but there's no way I could ever really rake up all of these in a feasible amount of time. That's just the front lawn all by itself. This is more of the property. So with this many leaves, there's no way that I could really do this all by myself, raking all the properties. So I have my trusty lawnmower here with a leaf collector. Kind of sweeps the ground up and takes all the hard work out of it for me. I'll go ahead and set this up and I'll show you kind of how it works.